Hey Siri, start the video. Hello guys, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. Today I will be reviewing the HomePod mini. However, we're going to do something a little bit different. First, we will talk about the design. The HomePod mini has a rounded design and it's actually really compact. I'd say it's just a little bigger than a baseball, and on the outside it has the same fabric mesh as the larger HomePod. The whole design and the materials used make it feel really premium and very high quality. The design is the same all around, except for the non-detachable braided cable that ends in USB-C. On the end of the USB-C cable, we find the 20-watt power adapter, which is included in the box. However, I found that it's not great for the black HomePod because the adapter itself is white and makes for an ugly contrast with the black braided cable. On the top, we find an edge-to-edge screen which displays a really nice animation when Siri is invoked or while on a phone call. The sound on the HomePod mini is surprisingly good given its size. However, do not expect it to sound as good as the larger HomePod. The moments when I can really notice the difference is actually when Siri speaks, as it sounds slightly less crisp than in the larger one. I found that the HomePod mini is able to fill my whole room with sound even when playing music in half volume, and it's actually really good quality sound. I will say though that when you play music at max volume, it sounds a little bit muffled depending on the song, but I wouldn't say it's nothing to worry about. However, I haven't played much music at max volume because I live in a shared apartment and I don't want my roommates to hate me, because the HomePod mini does actually sound really loud. To play music, you can either stream it from services such as Apple Music, Pandora and many others, but no, not Spotify, at least for now, or just AirPlay it from your iOS or macOS device. Lastly, we will talk about its integration with other Apple products, which is probably the main reason to buy it for many of you. First, it offers HomeKit integration, allowing you to control all your HomeKit accessories just by using Siri on the HomePod, which is always listening. Speaking of Siri listening, the microphones on the HomePod mini do a really good job when listening to you when you're trying to invoke Siri, even when music is playing at max volume. However, for those of you concerned about privacy, do not worry because Apple has built this speaker with privacy in mind. But something I don't like about this is that when I'm using my iPhone or my iPad or my Mac and I say hey, even though it's the HomePod the one that takes the request, I will be interrupted by the Siri animation for a short instant, which can be very annoying if I'm typing or if I'm watching a video or playing a game. Something else you can do is buy two of these HomePod minis and pair them together to make a stereo pair. This will give you even better sound at probably even a louder volume and of course the stereo capability. But my favorite example of the integration between the HomePod and other Apple devices is Handoff. Handoff allows you to transfer the music that's playing on a HomePod to an iPhone or vice versa just by placing the iPhone right next to the HomePod. However, I did find that this feature triggers automatically sometimes when my iPhone is on the desk close to the HomePod but not close enough, and yeah, this is very inconvenient. What's more, I found that switching between devices both in handoff and in regular AirPlay is faster with the HomePod mini than with the original HomePod. All things considered, I really like the HomePod mini. The $99 price tag will give you a very solid sound and a great way to control your HomeKit accessories. If you're deep into the Apple ecosystem and are currently looking for a speaker, even if you're not looking to buy a smart speaker, I'd say this is the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for the best sound possible, then it might be worth spending the extra money and buying the $300 HomePod, since that will give you even better sound. If you're looking to expand your smart home, The $99 price tag makes it considerably easier to place one HomePod mini in each room than the larger HomePod. This will also allow you to take advantage of the new intercom feature, which allows you to send voice messages via HomePod to all your family members which are scattered around the house. Furthermore, the small size also makes it easier to place it in some other places where the larger HomePod might just be too big or too heavy. But yeah, this was my review on the HomePod mini. As you saw, it was kind of a different video to what I usually do. If you liked it, please thumbs up, I would really appreciate it because it took actually quite a bit of time to do and think. And yeah, if you have any questions about the HomePod mini, leave them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more Apple-related content coming every single week. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.